So this is driver front,
Driver front,
driver rear,
driver rear,
passenger front,
passenger front,
passenger rear.
passenger rear. Say
Yeah.
this again.
Driver front,
Driver front,
driver rear,
driver rear,
passenger front,
passenger front,
passenger rear.
passenger rear. So driver front,
Yep.
driver rear.
Uh-huh.
This is also rear of the passenger. This is passenger front.
Right.
Okay. So that corresponds to scanner numbers. Whoa, why is the screen so dark?
Yeah, I think they may have rotated the tire at some point, and the sensor goes with the tire, I think.
This thing just got so bright for the iPhone. It can't even.
Yeah, I know, it looks blurry.
This one it can focus. So on a bidirectional scanner Octel, they have registration code 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Uh-huh.
Well, actually, we're going to use 1 to 4. And in their ID number 1, which is the 15, do we know where the 15 might be?
No, we didn't.
Which one did the very first we did? We did 63.
Yeah,
63 ID code.
Yep. That was the passenger rear.
Passenger rear.
Yeah.
Passenger rear is
Okay.
here.
So yeah,
This one, right?
yeah, the second one, yeah.
All right.
And then the 49
49 is ID number 3.
was passenger front.
Passenger front.
Yeah.
So that we know.
And then I don't know what the
So now we need to go
idea.
by this thing. Focus. It's focusing. All right. So we have front left, and here is 51. Front left is 51 is ID number 4.
So
And then we have
63 is passenger.
so what we're looking here is an actual scan of each tire ID. Front left is number 49. And 49 is ID registered number 3. And 15 is registration ID number 1. And 63 is right rear. Is 63 here,
Yeah.
which is ID number
63,
2.
Yeah.
And 51 is right rear 51, which is this one, ID number 4. So someone's going to have to... So this video is going on YouTube. The question is, which I can do right now, but I'm not, because I'm lazy and tired. And basically, we want to know if we swap the tires around, are these numbers going to go with the tires, or they're going to stay in that same spot all the time?
Right.
And also these registered IDs. Is the registered ID, let's say number 1, is always going to be number 1, even if I switch the tires around? So that's the question. All right. Well,
Yeah.
thanks for watching this 3-4 minute video. For those of you out there with these 2012 Camrys and having this issue, I should have continued this process and give you a conclusion, but maybe somebody else already did it out there. All right. Thanks for watching.